Earning a diploma in horticulture is an incredible journey that not only enhances your gardening skills but also opens doors to numerous career opportunities. In today's world, where sustainability and green living are becoming increasingly important, having a solid foundation in horticulture can make a significant difference. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing insights on how you can embark on this journey and what you can expect to learn. Pursuing a career in horticulture can be daunting, especially when you're not sure where to start. Many people face challenges due to a lack of knowledge about the field, limited resources, or guidance on how to get started. Without the right information, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the vast amount of content out there. This can lead to frustration and make it difficult to take the first step towards your goals. Additionally, the fear of not being able to succeed can hold you back from exploring this rewarding career path. Obtaining a horticulture certificate can significantly boost your job prospects and salary potential. With this certification, you'll gain a deeper understanding of plant care, garden design, and sustainable practices. This not only enhances your gardening skills but also equips you with the knowledge needed to advise clients or manage your own gardening projects. Furthermore, having a recognized certification can give you a competitive edge in the job market, making you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. A horticulture certificate also opens up opportunities for specialization, allowing you to focus on areas like landscape design, urban agriculture, or environmental conservation. I'd like to share a success story that really stands out to me. Sarah, a passionate gardener, decided to earn her horticulture diploma to turn her hobby into a career. With the knowledge and skills she gained, she started her own landscaping business, which quickly took off. Today, Sarah is a respected figure in her community, known for her innovative garden designs and commitment to sustainable practices. Her journey shows that with determination and the right education, you can transform your passion for gardening into a thriving career. This education empowered her to make a real impact in her field and improve the lives of those around her. The confidence she gained from her certification has allowed her to take on more complex projects and mentor others who are just starting out. In conclusion, earning a horticulture certificate offers numerous benefits, from enhanced gardening skills to improved job prospects. If you are passionate about gardening and want to take your skills to the next level, I encourage you to consider taking the first step towards your diploma. It's a journey that can lead to personal fulfillment and professional success. If you are interested in pursuing a career in horticulture, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and share your experiences or questions about getting started. Also, be sure to check out my related videos for more insights and information on horticulture and sustainable living.